What is the biggest problem with online courses in India? They teach you theory, they teach you practical, but never about how the industry works or where it's going. We at Newton School believe that learning outside the classroom is as important as learning inside the classroom. And to make that happen, we sponsored our top students from all over the country to one of the most elite data science conferences in India. A conference packed with top tech leaders from companies like Microsoft Research, Boeing, Adobe, Tiger Analytics, and many more. So kursi ki petti bandh lijiye and get ready for the ride.
It's my first conference that I've attended right now.
I've had a wonderful experience. This is my first chance to attend such a conference. I'm glad about it.
We had this panel discussion, it was so good. Even our Newton School from Paridhi, she also talked in that panel. It was a really good session actually.
I found that the conference is very informative and I gained some very informative knowledge as well.
So far I have built connections with the 3 people. I have gotten all of their contacts. They have my contacts, I have their contacts.
I would really thank Newton School for giving this opportunity to have this wonderful experience.
ಈ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.